Hello friends, welcome to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. I am Prerna and please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. And even like and share this video to your friends so that it will encourage me to make more and more such videos. So friends, today we have come with another topic that is on rainwater harvesting. So we are going to see what is the meaning of rainwater harvesting and what are the objectives of rainwater harvesting. So friends, when we come to the meaning of rainwater harvesting refers to the saving of water, the water which falls on the top of the roof, and that water will be saved, and the same water will be used for multi-purpose or for agriculture purpose. That is called rainwater harvesting. So friends, finally we can just conclude that rainwater harvesting is nothing but a water which falls on the rainwater which falls on the top of the roof is called rainwater harvesting. So friends, next when we come to the objectives of rainwater harvesting, the first objective is storing of excess of water. So you can see that when it rains, we will have more water. But during the time of summer, we are going to face problem, that is scarcity of water. So when there is a rain, we should utilize that water, rainwater, and we have to store the excess water which is falling on the roof or top of the roof. Next, improving the quality of groundwater. When we are doing this rainwater harvesting, what we are doing is we are improving the quality of groundwater. You know that we people are digging the borewells, right? So when we are digging borewells, we are taking the or we are observing the groundwater. So when we are going to do this, improve the quality of groundwater, when we are doing rainwater harvesting, we are just improving the quality of the or the quantity of the water in the ground level. Next friends, watershed development. Watershed development refers to the process where we are storing water and we are using that water or we are providing that water to a dry land. So this is very helpful. When we have dry land, we can utilize this rainwater and we can do agriculture so that it will be easy for us to practice agriculture. Next, drinking water for animals. Rainwater is not harmful, so these animals can drink this water. Even we can use this water to water the plants. Next, restoring the groundwater. As I've told you that we are doing restoring, so that whenever we dig the bore again, we will get enough water, or else we keep on digging the borewell but we won't get the water. So if we are doing rainwater harvesting, we will get the water. Next, removal of water scarcity. By doing all these steps, all of these procedures, by doing rainwater harvesting, we can remove the scarcity of water. So friends, here I conclude my video. But while concluding, I just want to add a point. You can see that in this fast light, we people are wasting more water. So please avoid doing this. Save water, it is very precious, and we have to save water for our coming generation also. So please save water and don't waste that. So here I conclude my video. So please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. Thank you so much.